In this video we have all our favorite snippets from 2024, so enjoy, buon anno and happy new year. Castiglione di Sicilia. So we will take you along with us and show you the little roads that takes us all the way up. Mine was filled with cheese, speck and pistachio, which was really nice, and Massi's was filled with sausage and radicchio. We also had a nice cup of coffee.
Like a jigsaw puzzle. Like it.
Once we are completely done.
Prepare the boiled potatoes because I'm gonna make an American.
So this morning we are on our way to Thapsos, which is a peninsula between Augusta and Syracuse. I wish that there had been a little bit more information on the actual peninsula. That would have really helped. Didn't find the necropolis, but we found a beautiful abandoned masseria, which intrigued us, so we decided to adventure and to go in.
Hey, look, babe, look at the necropolis down there, look. Let's go with it. That's where it is. For all the caves over there. Okay, so that's where we're heading to, right?
Beautiful pottery is found in the Paolo Orsi Museum, which is in Syracuse. Walk through, stick to your left. What we did is we carried on the right, and we couldn't find anything. Yeah, it's beautiful, isn't it?
It's pretty, isn't it?
So many of them! My goodness! 3rd of January in Sicily, and we have our rooftop open. Can't complain about bad weather here, can we?
Wow.
This is one of my favorite dishes that Massi cooks so well. This is not a typical Sicilian dish, this is a Roman dish. So we're walking along this cycling path. They call it la pista ciclabile. Get it the other way around. And it's absolutely beautiful. So this is smack bang
Show you how long
in the middle of Syracuse.
Yeah.
This This monument is situated close to Piazza dei Cappuccini. It's dedicated to the Italian soldiers that died during the Ethiopian War and was a planned project in 1938. This work of art was destined for Addis Ababa in Ethiopia. They are extremely old, all these tuna fisheries that you can find in Sicily, and there are quite a few of them. They're just a way of catching fish, tuna, and they would catch them, clean them, and obviously sell them. They don't do that anymore. A lot of these fisheries have been abandoned, which is a shame. In fact, this one, I was not expecting it to look like this. I found it was really, really abandoned and really not looked after, which is such a shame because, I mean, look at this. This is absolutely beautiful. At that view. Hey? Give me a hug! Big hug! A lot of people, when they come to Sicily, they ask me, why are there all these ceramic decorative head vases on balconies and in gardens? Well, the legend goes, there was a young Moor and a Sicilian girl in the period of the domination of the Moors in Sicily. How's it, everybody?
How's it, beautiful people?
So we're on our way to Catania Airport because my daughter is arriving and we haven't seen her for like, what, 5 months nearly?
Yeah.
So it's been a long time. Can't wait to see her. So this week it's going to be all about Claudia.
Yay!
To Ortigia, have some lunch. Ortigia is extremely quiet during winter, which is actually really nice. In winter, different.
Okay.
Taormina is considered an extremely expensive place by the Sicilians. This thanks to the great influx of tourists. Most of the restaurants, hotels adopt higher prices compared to the other places on the island. Bruschetta with pomodoro, with tomatoes, bufala. They're taking the piss out of me, guys. Salad. Massie's got some tagliatelle with mushrooms. We've all got a nice little drink and we're waiting for chips. The construction of the amphitheatre starts probably by the Greeks. We had an absolutely beautiful day in Taormina. As I said, there were hardly any tourists. I just want to make a little arc over the two pillars.
Si toglie la parte corticale. È una tradizione siracusana da ben 200 anni. Sì. Primo foglio di papiro è datato 5.000 anni. Questo...
of this water and it doesn't do it any justice on the camera, honestly. So we came to this place called Motta Santa Anastasia because...
And that's obviously the castle, which I'll show you.
Knowing that it was Sant Agata, which is like their patron saint, I think it's all over now, but we'll just show you the amount of people that are around.
Ora lo lascio coperto o scopriamo. Vai.
We haven't really done anything this week, so we thought we'd just take you along to see this little town called Avola. It's then we lay the plastic down and
Hey, hi, Alessandro. Okay, we are all together now. Damiano is at home because he's working today. Okay, so we're all going up in that direction. It's a staircase, basically. And it's been carved out because...
Questi buchi per mettere dei pali con cui chiudevano le stanze.
questo penso che...
buon appetito!
Buon appetito, ragazzi.
Buon appetito!
Tower.
Whatever type of herb you like. Put it in anywhere. Just
Here you go, some nice wine to taste.
through the jungle.
A noi.
Sempre, per sempre.
Buona l'aranciata. In Portopalo, beautiful place. We just stopped here by the sea to show you. So we're going to show you some pretty places.
intendo peperoncino piccante di Cayenne.
Occhio agli uccelli.
Buono.
Ma quello... Tu sei preso come quello suo?
No, no.
Abbiamo fatto ora.
Thank you. Pasta with fresh carciofi. Oh, Karen. We need a gin and tonic, don't we? It's a typical Sicilian biscuit which is used when they couldn't afford to buy expensive chocolate. It's simply made by using bread dough and decorated with a boiled egg and sugar sprinkles. These are cassatelle ragusane. Lovely Easter.
Enjoy your family, enjoy your Easter, and happy Easter.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Loved picking these beautiful, spontaneous, natural herbs. I needed Massey's help to finally chop all this. Up with a bit of our organic stuff that we've been gathering.
Pears.
We'll just show you
Is it
around.
artificial or natural?
No, it's they dug down.
Oh, okay.
We watched a documentary yesterday.
Yeah, I'm not that.
You were at work, so yeah. We'll show you around. Hello. That's it.
They do concerts and whatever here.
Yeah, they do tragedies and plays and things.
Yeah, of course.
So I think this is what it's all about. Okay, let's go down. The rope maker's cave, or La Grotta dei Cordari, was called this because of the craftsmen that worked here for centuries. Look at the scale of this. What? No.
It's massive.
You guys
Can
have
you-
to
can you
come
come
and
back
see.
here? I
You
wanna
have
show you
to come
something.
and see this place. It's incredible.
Beautiful aqueducts. You come down here, as you can see, they've dug it really precisely. You look at the really dug well out.
Yeah. So fresh.
It's fresh water.
The Greek theatre was built between the 5th and the 3rd century BC. It could probably hold about 12,000 to 14,000 spectators. Between the months of May and June, they have classical tragedies, which are held every afternoon. Plant some runner beans, and I want them to grow up here and over, and it'll be easier for me to pick them. And two, because we've got chickens running all over the place and cats that like to come in and do their bit in this veggie patch. So we're going to put some netting around, and it'll hopefully help them not come in. It'll prevent them coming in. So that's the main reason. Yeah,
Probably sold a lot of your
parts of this.
artifacts.
What a waste. Perfect positioning, hey Damiano, with the view of the sea. This temple of Zeus is the second most ancient temple in Syracuse after the temple of Apollo. The Sicilian region has kept this ruin closed due to the lack of caretakers, which in our opinion is just totally crazy.
Yeah.
Wow, we feel so insignificant next to these things, and it's crazy how they lifted these things up to build them. And I found a species unknown. I see starting to work the land, the soil, land.
Just moving it all up, yeah.
Yeah, he's moving it all up. Okay, we're going to start planting this lettuce. See all these little bits of... And took it home, gave it a bit of a boil for about 10 minutes in salted water.
Hello, my name is Massimo.
And hi, my name is Maria.
This video is about our move from the UK to Italy, Sicily, to be precise.
Looking good, Mass.
Who, me or the pepperoni?
You too. But the peppers look better, sorry mate. Just want to show you how well my zucchini plants are doing. They are growing so fast. And these are supposed to be the smallish ones. The pergola ones didn't grow very well. And I've grown some basil in between each one, but I've noticed that something's biting at it, probably some slugs. See the shadow of a cat out there? That's the reason why we closed it all up. Oh, I'm very jealous of my bougainvillea, hey? And Mussy knows. That's why he's just putting it safely behind the wall so he can paint and then bring it back again. I just love that effect of the bougainvillea on the white dome pizza oven. Every year I make this mulberry tart. Just can't resist doing it because we've got so many beautiful mulberries on the tree.
Yes.
So as you can see, the chicken is getting nice and cooked on one side. I've got it almost to the same amount on the other side. So now I'm adding in the wine to give it that finishing touch. I'm using red wine. Normally use white wine, but I like the red wine. It's drier and the taste is amazing.
Mass casual stroll with the bees.
Yep.
Sunday afternoon stroll with the bees. How often do you get someone doing that? And we don't get a flat tire or something like that.
Babe, stop throwing babe like this. Come on.
Joking. Joking. Ti stai divertendo, Viola?
Sì. Tantissimo.
Guarda che bello. Made a little den for Viola because it's really hot and she needed a bit of shade. But I need to get some sort of a... Viola, you've got no mint in yours.
No.
Just water.
Yes.
Okay. Bye, kids. See you next week.
Bye. Bye.
Good morning.
Buona domenica. The kids have just gone and we're on our way to Siracusa and we're going to get a nice little cappuccino. And we're going to go past the vintage market, which we haven't been in ages. So we're hoping that we'll find something nice. Way, it's getting hot now.
Questi non si trovano più. Quelle di collo.
I am very happy with my little bargain this morning. Massi wasn't too pleased because obviously he's got to put it up, connect it all. What are you eating, Mas? Olives at like 10 a.m. Okay. products out here, mop it all, and now Massey's going to have to fix it for me. And he's just woken up.
Every morning,
Yep.
and you went to work, would speak to us.
Yeah, I did all of 2 hours.
Doesn't matter. Well, I picked you up from work.
Yeah.
We had quite a hectic morning.
Yeah, we did with the whole leakage and everything.
A bit of a stress and what happened.
We are now having
Sat down to have a drink.
merited aperitivo.
Nero di Seppia.
Black truffle fish, so nero di seppia.
Yeah. And I'm putting the pasta in now because I've got to do it together with the pizza.
Yeah, I'm going to do it with the other pizza.
I'm doing...
He's the cheeky waiter. Cheeky waiter.
Cheeky waiter. Yeah.
Nice.
Handmade sorbet.
Buongiorno.
We are in a very special place today.
Yep.
I'll let Maria tell you about it. So while we're talking, I'm going to turn this around.
Yeah, we are in a tiny little fishing village and it's called Marzamemi.
Spizzuliare, nel senso dici io non mangio un vero e proprio, ma io spizzulio e quindi assaggio e vedi mangiare.
Grazie. So this little fishing village, it's an absolute gem.
Pretty
It's tiny.
Putting a cable tied to secure it.
Yeah. Does anybody else have a chandelier out on their porch, on their terrace? Or am I the only crazy one?
Yeah.
I think it looks gorgeous. Come on. Okay, not bad.
Yeah, there's some big ones. Whoa, there's a big one.
Oh, that's nice. Yay. Do some...
No, there's not enough of them. I think we need to wait a little bit. There's another big zucchini over there.
Yeah, no, this one's got to go.
Oh, that's the biggest one.
Yeah.
Look at that. Wow.
It's funny how when they lie flat, obviously they don't get the sun, so...
Yeah.
How nice is that? So
nice.
3 zucchini,
Some potatoes.
some potatoes,
And we're going to go get some black basil.
and maybe some lettuce. Yeah, that's about. Anyway, we've done it. I then took all the pesto that I'd made, added it to the bechamel, mixed it all up. The vegetables were cooking nicely. Poured in that bechamel sauce into the partially cooked chicken breasts and put it onto a really low heat. It actually turned out to be really nice. What do you think?
Today is a French lunch. I tell you, bon appetit.
Bon appetit.
Bon appetit.
I should stop watching
Mon ami.
films. mon amour.
Thanks for 1,000 of subscriber.
Thank you. 1K. Yay. Thanks, Mattia. That's beautiful. Give me 5. Yes.
Bye.
Bye.
See you tomorrow.
Every year there's a theme. This year it was Giacomo Puccini, the Italian composer, and he's one of my favorite.
Today is one of those days when we say, let's go somewhere. We get in the car and we go.
The guys are having a nice San Panino with a little beer. Signora, quali sono più buone?
E allora queste sono crispelle al riso col miele e un'altra lavorazione. Queste invece crispelle semplici che poi le puoi mangiare sia così che con lo zucchero.
E quelle con le acciughe?
Con l'acciuga senza zucchero, se no
No, non lo fa.
No, dai, finiscila! Martina has just made us look like idiots. She asked for a snail, but now she feels bad.
Because I can see it. I can see it. I don't know if I can eat it.
You're gonna have to taste it. Buon anno, everyone. Happy New Year. See you next year with a brand new one. Ciao, alla prossima.